Hi everybody, this is Mark from Mark's Mandalas, and this is the step 1 video on assembly of Hex Hive 2.0. In the background I have a 12-piece set I've assembled and put some craft paint in, and in my hand I have one of the single pieces of Hex Hive 2.0. Hex Hive 2.0 has 4 hooks, and you can see here's one here, one there, one here, and one there. And this first video is going to show you how to orient these pieces to make assembly easier. And what you want to do is keep them all upright. And these are facing up. And this will be considered facing sideways, which you do not want to do. You want to make sure they're all facing upright. Another guide that you can utilize is the print on the side of the part. If all of the parts have the print on the side facing the same direction and both upright, that is going to orient these parts to make assembly much easier. And that is the tip for step 1. Please stay tuned for the step 2 in the Hex Hive 2.0 assembly process videos. Thank you.